Okay, so this is Unit 3.2 of Econ. First, let's talk about perfect competition. So perfect competition occurs when there are many sellers and they're all selling the same product. There's also free entry and exit, as well as the price takers, meaning they all have relatively similar prices. For example, the water industry. There's many sellers of water and they all sell the same thing. Also, the prices may range a little bit and they may have slightly different designs or advertising, but in the end, they are all selling water with relatively similar price points, meaning they are price takers. So all these only selling water. So why must a firm take the market price? It's because many sellers occur in an industry and they must sell the same thing. For example, if there are people buying pizza for $5 and another firm enters, if they charge $10 above the market price, people wouldn't like that and they would go to the other seller. Now let's talk about Mr. DARP, otherwise known as MR equals D equals AR equals P. MR is additional income from one unit of goods. D is demand, otherwise is the price people are willing to pay for a good. AR is average revenue, which is similar to MR, but it's just the revenue a firm gets from each unit sold. And then P is price, the set market price of the good. On a graph, the horizontal line would be the Mr. DARP line. Say it's $10. So each unit firm sells is $10. Demand, people are willing to pay $10. It's all $10. Now, short run losses. Let's look at a graph in a perfectly competitive firm. So that's our MC and our Mr. DARP line. Draw our equilibrium. That's our average total cost. However, the average total cost is above the Mr. DARP line, which means we have losses. To calculate this loss, we have to find the area. 12 minus 10 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. There is $12 of losses from this firm. So why should you stay open if you are losing money? It's because there's another component called average variable cost, the money you spend on variables. So would you stay open even if you have this loss? This is the average variable cost curve. As long as you don't fall below the average variable cost, the firm should stay operational because eventually your costs will cover it. Now this is short run profits. Let's look at a graph. $10 is our Mr. DARP line. This is our MC, that's our average total cost. Average total cost is below the Mr. DARP line, and there's our profit. To calculate the profit, same thing. Find the area, 10 minus 8 is 2, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. $10 worth of profits from this firm. Now let's talk about the impact of decreased demand on a firm. Let's look at a graph. This is our Mr. DARP line, it's our MC. So our average total cost, currently this firm is making profits. However, say something happens and this industry is selling clothes and that clothing is no longer trending. The demand would have to go down. So this line would go down, and now our average total cost is above it, creating losses for the company. And that's Unit 3.2.